Hello, and I'm at Tamworth for another episode of Trains App. Right here is the train which just brought me in from Birmingham New Street. Go and check out that video if you haven't. So if you have, you already know this number, but honestly I've forgotten it already, so I'll get it for you. It should be about ready to depart. Yes, it is. Oh, and there's an Avanti West Coast I just heard. Because this station has 2 layers in fact, and we're on the top layer. Okay, so 170,638. Okay, right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino about to pass by. I'll try and get the number. Sorry, I couldn't get it. That was actually really hard. I might move down the other end of the platform. That'll probably make it way easier. So now I can get it next time. Okay, right there is a cross-country Voyager, I believe. I can't really go out there because it's so busy, but I can film it from in here. I think that's working service to Glasgow Central. Okay, so the cross-country service to Glasgow Central is now departing. Two to 125. Now I might just mainly stay on the bottom layer, so I might miss some trains because it's kind of hard to get between the layers. But if I get an opportunity, I'll try to come up to this level just to catch a train. But it might not always be possible. And so right up there I believe is a freight train. It's kind of too late to catch that way, sorry about that. Okay, right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino about to pass by. Okay, so the first one was 390,013 and the second one was 390,127. So I've repositioned myself. There is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. 390,151 will be working service to London Euston. So yeah, I've repositioned myself here so I can see the West Coast Main Line and this cross-country line. So I won't miss any freight trains on either line or any trains in general on either line. Oh my god, right there was just a Class 68. Why isn't the camera focusing? That is a Class 68, which is funded by. I nearly missed that. Well, I mean, I basically did, because for some reason the camera wasn't focusing. Sorry about that. It was a silver Class 68, which is funded by. What a great sight. Okay, so we're about to have a cross-country. I think there's a Voyager pass by. That's working service to Newcastle. We've got a brand new system going just to make sure I don't miss any more trains. Okay, so the cross-country service to Plymouth via Birmingham New Street is arriving. It is a HST. I'm very pleased with this. Why do I hear something? Or is it, maybe it's just this. 43,321 is leading. Oh yes. Give me this. I mean, I did come here to see freight, but I'll always take a good HST. especially a cross-country HS2. Okay, so the cross-country service to Plymouth via Birmingham New Street is now departing. Oh, what a toot-toe! What a toot-toe from 43,384 and then 66,7 something. I missed a freight train again. I don't even know what to say. That was 66,7 something 9. Oh my. How many freight trains can I actually miss? And
I haven't seen that top of freight train, Josh.
Okay, right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. It's 39157. Is a freight train, and there's also an Avanti West Coast down there, but I'm going to film this. Okay. 66068. Okay, 66068. I don't know what our Avanti West Coast number was, since that came at the exact same time. This is a great station, but it's just so hard to catch the trains here. Okay, so there is a cross-country service to Cardiff Central. It's a Class 170. As I said before, the station is so good, but it's just so hard to catch the trains. Okay, 170, 106. It is so windy here. Okay, so the cross-country service to Cardiff Central is now departing. Windy. Okay, so right there is a cross-country Class 170. Honestly, I can't even remember where that's going to. I'll probably be able to tell you shortly. Oh, this is to Nottingham. 170, 103. Nottingham via Derby. Okay, so we're about to have an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino pass by. No idea what the number was on that, sorry. Nearly missed it again. Okay, so the cross-country Class 170 service to Nottingham via Derby is now departing. close to missing that. I just heard it and ran up the stairs. Okay, the Advantage West Coast delivery is right there. 391.55. That's another Advantage West Coast delivery. I thought there was only one, but actually, no, I think there's two. Okay! There's an Advantage West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, working service from London Euston. Again, I nearly missed it. Okay, so we're about to have a cross-country pass by. Don't know where that's off to. It began with an 8, I could definitely see that. I didn't even try and get the number. You just can't get the Voyager's numbers when they're going that fast. Okay, right there is an Advantage West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. Okay, right there is the London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Sorry about the camera not focusing, I don't know why it isn't. 350-105 is on the rear and 350-242 is on the front. And here is our train. 350-257 is leading. This is working service to London Euston. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you wish. And I'll see you guys next time, maybe at Non-Eton or Rugby, if I even go to Rugby. So goodbye.